In this video, we'll show you how to create a custom stencil template. First, visit CreateMold.com and click the Open Studio button. On the next screen, you'll see several different product types. Start by uploading the design you want to use. Then select Stencil and click the Generate 3D Version button. A warning message will appear. This message explains how your design needs to be prepared in order to work properly as a stencil. Click. Continue. Any way to proceed. Now, wait while CreateMold prepares the three-dimensional version of your design. And there it is. Our stencil design is ready. To customize your stencil, click the Settings button in the top right corner. Here you can adjust the stencil's width, length, aspect ratio, height, edge spacing, and corner roundness. Using the pattern mode option, you can also choose whether the design should appear once or repeat multiple times across the stencil template. Once you've finished adjusting the settings, click Preview 3D Version again. After reviewing your design, click the Generate 3D STL button to complete the process. Download the generated STL file to your computer, then open your preferred slicing software. Drag and drop the downloaded file into the slicer, prepare your print settings, and send it to your 3D printer. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to visit CreateMold.com.